neighbor's house about 20 miles south of our place. It's the Pennington County Soil Conservation's drill, and we just kind of store it for them at our place there in the yard, and then Dad kind of manages it for them and you know, takes it to the people that need it, and then the people come and rent it out from them. Just a no-till drill because they promote the soil health and everything. And so we're taking it down to that neighbor's place right now, and then there's some mechanics coming at 8 this morning, and they're gonna kind of go through it and fix some chains and discs and just kind of make sure everything's running good for this next upcoming planting season, because it's hopefully someday it turns to spring. I don't know when, but that's why, if you notice, we did chores a little earlier this morning because we had to go pull this down there and meet them guys at 8 o'clock. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy the video. So I think Dad and I just realized that we're going to be going through town at the same time that all the kids are going to be coming to school with a 15-foot planter. So I guess we could have probably left a little earlier to avoid that, but we didn't. Well, we made it. Didn't take out nobody, didn't even hit any signs or nothing, so we're all set. Go ahead. Yeah. There you go. Well, they were able just to put new discs on. It only took them like an hour and a half. So we just hung out because it wasn't going to be worth it for us to drive home. So now we're taking it home, and it's all done for the day. So I think that's just about going to do it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you next time.